Hey, Sheldon, I'm having this really weird issue, and if you have a minute, I need a gut check on this. We've got a live stream going like right now, and I'm getting bombarded with messages on our community that says that nobody can get in, but I'm on the platform and the live stream's working, but nobody can see anything. So I got to get this fixed like yesterday, like an hour ago. So, and also, what did I do wrong? Like, did I set it up wrong or something? And just for reference, they started seeing the problem around 8:30 in the morning. So do you have any ideas? Can you help me out with this?
Well, since the stream is working on your platform, we can isolate that there's anything wrong with the application because the stream itself is working. So
Fair. Okay.
I think, are you aware of any kind of maintenance or network activity taking place that may be causing this issue?
No. We knew this live stream was happening, so we cleared all of that out. No changes. Like I know everyone says that, but no changes.
Okay, are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure. It's not like the last time.
Okay, all right. So I think let's start off by looking at this by looking at the network diagnostic information because that's the best way for us to look at it. So let me do this. Let me um, let me quickly pull up my screen. Yeah, so Leon, let's start by looking at the ping data.
Okay. Now I said it started at 8:30. Oh, this is set for your time zone. I would see it at 8:30, but this is 8:30 Eastern, right?
Yes, 8:30 Eastern. That's right.
Okay,
Yes.
cool. Cool.
Yeah. So yeah, looking at the ping data now, this is unusual because we are seeing a lot of spikes. The test data is the ping time is taking longer than usual. We are seeing you can see right here round trip time is much higher. We are seeing
Uh-huh.
quite a lot of spikes as well. We are seeing packet loss as well, which is not a good sign. So this could be indicative of something going wrong with the network data towards the live stream itself.
Okay.
Maybe let's look at the trace route as well, because that would give us a sense of what the hop by hop data is, and maybe we can isolate what the problem is. So let me quickly open that up.
Okay.
So yeah, it looks like the trace route data is aligning with the ping data because we see a lot of drops and a lot of pretty high test time for the
Yeah, that's
trace route data as well.
almost the
Yep, it
same
looks like
graph.
it's
So they're definitely
almost
doing the same
aligning. Yep.
thing.
It's the same
Yeah.
thing. It's exactly the same time when we are seeing the ping probes failing. The trace data also is showing high jitter. That again is not a good sign. It could mean that something is going wrong with the network itself.
Okay.
And maybe what I'll do is let's look at a hop information itself because that will tell us the path that the packet is taking when it's going towards your live stream.
Okay.
So let me quickly open that. All right, so it's loading up right here, and we are seeing. So this is going to be your trace route, the hop by hop data.
Right. So
Is there anything that stands out?
is that wait, is that last one is number 8, is that where it ends?
Right, it looks like it. Yeah, it seems to be.
So it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
getting our endpoint because our endpoint is a .244. So it's never reaching the actual platform? Is that what I'm seeing?
That's what it looks like. Yeah, this is strange. I mean, we should be hitting the final endpoint, the dot 224, right? So
Yeah.
yeah,
224.
the fact that it is
Yeah.
stopping, yep, the fact that it is stopping somewhere before that does indicate that it could be a BGP issue because generally, as the traffic is moving from ASN to ASN, if it's not reaching the final ASN, it could mean that there's an AS along the path which is not moving the packets to the actual AS where it's supposed to go to.
Okay.
So
So
this
can we
this
check
does align
BGP?
with, yep. Yeah, we could check BGP. Did you see any alerts by chance? Anything around BGP that
I
stood out or alarmed you?
there might have been something that came in that hit my email. It was something about an ASN or an origin or something like that. Can we check the
Okay.
log to see?
Yep, we can. And actually, the fact that you mentioned an ASN origin that could actually be very much causing what we are seeing right now. Um, and yeah, we do see it. So there is a ton of ASN origin AS mismatch alerts, and I
Okay,
think
so
this.
I'm not as familiar with like what this alert is. So what is this? What is this telling me? So I know for the next time.
So what this is saying is that for the particular prefix or the IP that we are monitoring, it's basically telling us that there is another AS which is originating this IP address. So the actual AS which is meant to be announcing this IP address no longer can announce it because this offending AS is now announcing the IP address, and that could mean many things. If it's not able to get to the actual AS, it's either being dropped or it's probably being routed to another destination, which is not what you want to happen.
Okay, I'm not going to say the evil H word, but it sounds like the evil H word. Like, am I? Do I need to call InfoSec on this?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's good for us to maybe look at the actual BGP smart board data to see if what we see right here and what we saw with the traced out data is aligning with what the H word is. So maybe we can just take a look at the
Yeah.
BGP data as well.
Okay.
So let me quickly select the right time frame for when this issue is taking place, and then we can maybe look at the BGP data. All right,
Okay.
so I've got it pulled up right here, and so yeah, this is definitely telling there is something going wrong. This is where your dot. This is your actual prefix. This is the one that, or rather, your actual IP address, and it looks like the traffic is not being able to get to it. And as you can see, all of this red right here, all of these countries and users that are located in these countries and these cities and these ISPs are not able to get to your live stream because they are being rerouted to basically a null route. It's being black holed basically. This is your actual path, but it looks like that this AS has basically done an ASN origin mismatch. I wouldn't say attack because at times it is unintentional, but it does look like this AS is causing your traffic, the legitimate traffic, to go to a different path.
Okay. So just so I'm clear, BGP blackholing is where somebody takes the actual destination and basically routes it someplace else so that it can't actually get to where it wants to go.
That is correct. Now, every IP on the internet has its own authorized ASN to advertise it. If an unauthorized ASN does it, it's going somewhere else. So you're not getting the data.
All right. So I guess where we're at. So now we know what's going on, but how do
Yep.
I fix this? Like, what do I do?
You got to get on the call with your ISP right away, with the ISP rather, that is the offending ISP, the one that is advertising your prefix or your IP address. You got to get a call with them and tell them right away that, hey, stop announcing my routes because it's causing my users around the globe to not get to my live stream.
Okay, but the live stream is happening right now. Like, is this going to take me hours or?
It would be, I mean, if the ISP can get an engineer on the call right away, it would be a simple config change. So they'll get it up and running. And then the traffic should move back to your actual ASN.
Okay, then I got to jump on the call with the ISP right now because I got to get this fixed. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, bye.
You're welcome, I guess.